You have definitely noticed those slick AI-made ads popping up everywhere on your feed lately, and I bet you are itching to build some of your own. Today, I am going to walk you through my personal, battle-tested workflow for turning a rough idea into a polished, high-performing social media clip. We will cover everything from script writing and voiceovers to editing and automated scheduling, so grab a pen or just save this video for later. First, start by heading over to a tool like ChatGPT to get your creative gears turning and draft a solid script. Do not just settle for the first draft, but ask the AI for multiple variations so you can stitch together the absolute best lines. Once your script is locked in, use a high-quality text-to-speech engine, like 11 Labs, to bring your character's voice to life. If you are on a budget, look for free trials or alternative TTS tools, but try to generate your voiceover in short, manageable chunks. Now we move to visuals, and while text-to-video tools like Runway are improving daily, keeping your prompts simple is the secret to success. Don't stress about photoreal perfection immediately. Just focus on capturing the general mood and vibe that fits your story. For your branding assets, like logos or thumbnails, use a tool like Midjourney to generate clean and creative images effortlessly. Next, pick a background track that matches the energy of your edit, whether that is upbeat, cinematic, or urgent. Now, let's talk about the part everyone dreads, which is the actual editing process of cutting everything together. Manually finding the best moments in your footage is a huge time sink, which is why I use Vizard to automate the heavy lifting. Vizard's AI scans your long-form video content and instantly chops it into ready-to-post, high-engagement clips. This saves you hours of tedious manual scrubbing and keeps your output consistent, which is the main key to growing your channel. Consistency is also about timing, so use the Vizard Content Calendar to schedule your posts across all platforms automatically. You can tweak your captions and verify your publishing schedule all from one dashboard without hopping between different apps. After you post, don't overthink virality. Just focus on observing how people react and then iterate on your next piece of content. If one of your clips actually performs well, use Vizard again to repurpose that winning concept into new, fresh cuts. Finally, remember that the goal is to make something, so don't let the technical process stop you from sharing your voice with the world. The internet is a much weirder and better place when you actually contribute your own unique style to the feed. Thanks for sticking with me through this workflow, and go get out there to make some clips that make an impact. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this helped, and let me know in the comments what you are planning to build next. Peace out, have fun, and make sure to thank the little robot overlords for doing all the heavy lifting for you.